Hey, what's up folks? My name is Ashok Joshi. Welcome to HA Media YouTube channel. In this video, we will be learning about cal command in detail. So if you are new to my channel, make sure you like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel. Hit that bell icon so that you will never miss any update. Now let's start with the video. Now what do we mean by cal command? So cal is basically called as calendar. Now why it is used? Basically it is an excellent way of displaying the calendar in terminal. So what's the syntax? I will show you. So this is how you will be writing cal command. So let me show you something. Cal, and here you will be passing month and here the year. So this is how you will be writing cal command. So let me erase this thing. So now if you just write cal and hit enter, it will show you the current month. So today it is 31st of January 2022. Okay, and it will highlight the date. See here 31st, it is highlighted, and today it is Monday. Now let's say I want to display any month of previous year or maybe a future year. So what can I do? It's very simple. Just write cal and then pass the month that you want to see. Let's say I want to see 9 and of, let's say 2015, the past one. Hit enter, you will be there, right? September 2015, and this is the month. Okay, and if you want to see the future one, so it can be anything like cal 10 and it can be 2032. Hit enter, you will be getting the month details here. So that's how you can make use of this command. So here you can write the month in the form of number. So this is how you will be using number here. Also there is another way how you can do it. For example, if you want to display, let's say June. Okay, so you will pass this option -m and June. Hit enter. You will get the June's calendar, but this will be the current year's calendar. Okay, so here we have not specified the year, so that's the reason it is showing June 2022's. So if we specify the year, whatever we want, it will display the calendar of that particular year. Let's try cal 9, sorry, let's write -m, let's say June 2021. Hit enter, you will get the calendar of June 2021. See, this is how you can write it. Simple, right? Now let me show you something which is called as printing current month. Alongside you can also print the previous and the following next months. How can we do it? It's very simple. Just write cal and after that you can write -3. So what it will do, it will display the calendar of this month followed by the previous month, okay, which can be December 2021, and the next month, which will be February 2022. If I hit enter, you can see here, now it is January, and here you can see February and the previous month, December 2021. So you can play around with it, right? Let's say if we want to display the calendar of this particular year, what I will do, I will just write cal and -y. So this will display the calendar of this particular year 2022, and you see today's date highlighted and this year. Okay, so similarly what you can do here is, instead of this -y, what you can do is you can also pass the year. So let's say this is 2022, cal 2022, you will get the same output. So that's it about cal command. So this is what I usually use whenever I use cal command. So if you want to know more about it, you can make use of man pages, man, and then hit cal. So here you can see some options here, -1, just like how we did for -3 and so on. And yeah, these are some options that you can try, like -s for Sunday, -m from Monday. All these things you can try here. And let me quit it, hit Q to quit. And that's it about this video. I hope you guys have gained some knowledge. Hit that like button so that it gives me motivation to create more videos, and share this video with your friends so that others might get some benefit. And if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit that bell icon so that you will never miss any update. And I will see you in my next video. So till then, bye bye. Take care, guys.